today what we are going to be learn, we will learn about how we can create a cursor. Okay, by the cursor, we have to check, we have to put a particular query. Will get some data. We will just get data with the help of the select command, and we are going to be insert some new data to the particular table. Okay, so first of all, I'll show you about my database SQL. Okay, see, I'll write down there my SQL. Okay, I got it. I got it. So it's a little bit the completely server now. That's why it will little bit work slow. Okay, so root. I had access my. I had typed my password. I got it. Now I'll show you my database. So my database. So databases. It was the simple command. We see the databases. So I'll use school. Okay, done. So I have two tables. Okay, so tables. So student and teacher. Okay, let's go with the student. So I want to see the completely structure of the table student. So I have to be use the command which is describe. Means describe command use होगी जो टेबल को डिस्क्राइब करेगी कि उसके अंदर कौन कौन से कॉलम्स है, उससे प्राइमरी की इस पे है, कौन कौन से कंस्ट्रेंट डेवलप किए गए हैं, यूज किए गए. Okay, so let's go through by this. So describe, describe. Table name is student. Oh, sorry, student semicolon. So as you can see, with the help of this command, I can see the field name, the types, these kind of basic constraints. It means it's asked for the null. Actually, its full form is not null. Okay, null or not. Null means if there will be no any value, we can. So it's a already primary key roll number. So we can't supposed to be put it null value. That's all three we can store. Then default value is always this. It's extra means a kind of a descriptions. Okay, if you want to be give some kind of an additional information like that and all, nothing extra. Okay, I want to see some data from my table. To select asterisk from table name is student. Here, so I have two data. So first of all, we are going to be get some data from Python. So we will write a script. So I'll start Python 3.13 because actually I have lots of a Python version in my system, but each and every having their different configurations. इनकी configuration के module मैंने अलग अलग setup किए गए, तो मुझे एक particular version ही मुझे use करना पड़ेगा. Okay, clear? So just a minute. Once it will be appear according to its server setup, it will take little bit amount of seconds, because as you already know, the lots of application, robotics tools, systems, what to say, everything will be available here. Okay, just give me a minute. Come on, quick. Okay, now let's start. Okay, I'll take this here. So I'm going to so first of all import what my SQL dot connector. Oh, I forget to write my SQL. Then create an object. Okay, then just make a connection. So what we supposed to write down? My SQL dot connector dot connect. Okay, so here first of all, what value? Host value. Host value is always local host. Fine. Then what is supposed to write down? The username. So user. What the username? My username is root. Clear? Then password. Password also I had already when I was set up my SQL. Now that time I had set as a root only, the same root. Clear? Then the database name. So database name is, it's an optional. It's not compulsory. You have to be use that. Clear? Done. So now what we supposed to do? Now our simple task and term is